welcome back to Dublin.
So we just got back to Dublin. We were in Northern Ireland for a few days. We're leaving from the airport tomorrow to go to London, so we figured we would squeeze in a few more things we wanted to see here.
So we're standing here at Trinity College, which is a must-see if you're in Dublin City. It's located in the central part, and this college was built back in the 1500s, I believe. But a lot of people come here to see the old library, and the Book of Kells is housed in there. It's supposed to be very beautiful, and we're about to go check it out. So now that that's done, let's hit up a pub. Alright, so we made it to the Brazen Head. This is Ireland's oldest pub. It was built back in 1198, I believe. So it's been here for a very long time.
Almost 900 years.
900 years, so this place is very old. But there's all these different rooms around the place. You can sit outside, you can sit inside, you can sit at the bar, and all the different little nooks around the place. There's live music right next door to us, traditional Irish music, so we watched that for a while. But we wanted to come and try another traditional meal, so we're here having bangers and mash, and let's dig in and see what it tastes like. So if you guys are unfamiliar with bangers and mash, it's basically jumbo Irish pork and leek sausage with creamy mashed potatoes, vegetables, and red wine au jus.
That gravy is so flavorful. We learned really quickly when we got here that gravy is a big thing in Ireland.
And I'm okay with that.
Yeah, pretty much every Irish dish we've gotten has had gravy on it.
It's a lot of comfort food. It's great.
Yeah, I love me some comfort food, so it's perfect. It's really good. That was banging.
You get it? Bangers and mash.
She's up all night to get served. I'm up all night to get served. We're up all night to get served. I'm up all night to get served. We're up all night to get served.
When you walked into the room, I couldn't keep my eyes off of you.
Good morning, guys. So we are here at the Clarence Hotel. That's where we stayed at last night. And we just wanted to take a quick minute and thank the Clarence for partnering with us to make this video happen.
The Clarence Hotel is a 4-star boutique hotel right in the heart of Dublin. It's a perfect location. It's in walking distance to all of the main attractions, including the Guinness Storehouse, the Dublin Castle.
Lots of pubs since it's located in Temple Bar area. And it's right next to a really good coffee shop called Dime Coffee. So this place is really centrally located, just walking distance from even places like Grafton Street and a lot of other attractions. So we love it. I mean, you just walk out of your hotel and you're right smack dab in Dublin.
Probably the coolest fact about this place, though, is it used to be owned by Bono and U2's lead guitarist, The Edge.
Yeah, they purchased it back in 1992 and turned it into a luxury hotel. So we were just talking, Bono was probably in this room at one point. How cool is that?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's also known as Dublin's rock and roll hotel, so I think it's pretty fitting for us.
Yeah, a very unique little place in Dublin, and we would definitely recommend it.
For sure. We're gonna head down to the lobby, grab some breakfast, and after that we have to hop in a taxi and head to the Dublin City Airport because we're heading to London today.
Yay!
So let's go grab breakfast so we don't miss our flight.
Yep, breakfast in Dublin, afternoon tea in England. Let's go.
It doesn't get better than that. Uber driver's here in 3 minutes and Laurel's literally still packing up. Where's the cap for this? Okay. If you're wondering why I'm wearing 2 jackets, it's because Ryanair has very strict luggage restrictions. So we pulled everything out of our checked bag that we could because I think you're only allowed like 40 pounds in your checked bag, and we're sharing one for this entire trip. So we're trying to stuff our carry-ons with as much as we can. They're so heavy, I don't even think they're gonna fit below our feet on the plane. And we're wearing multiple layers. Like I have 2 t-shirts on, 2 jackets. Laurel has 2 sweaters, 2 t-shirts, and a jacket. And our carry-ons are very heavy. But hey, our Uber driver's here. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. I don't have to sit on it now. So that's good. Your book bag's literally busting open.
No.
They are not gonna let us on this flight.
It's going over to oversized baggage. Well, if you're bringing it on the plane, I won't be using it for 20 kg.
Sure.
So you'll have to pay for a seat.
So that was a little bit stressful. In Dublin, it is policy that if you have any kind of musical instrument, you either have to pay for a seat next to you or you have to check it with the oversized. And as you can see, this is not oversized, it's very tiny. And it's in a soft bag. It's Laurel's traveled with Tar, by the way. So we got some fragile stickers and have to check it and put it in oversized down below. But hopefully they'll be careful with it and we'll see what happens. You almost had a Guinness mustache with that.
Oh, it's good. This is the only time we've had Jameson here.
Ooh, it almost tastes like there's cream in there, but it's not. It's just frothy on top. But it leaves your mouth with like a caramely taste. You taste the Jameson for sure, but yeah, really good. I like it a lot. This is so interesting for us. The light switches all go down to turn on. Feels backwards, but I guess that's...
Don't the toilets flush the opposite way too, or is that not here?
I don't think Laurel's been flushing the toilet while she's been here because...
I haven't paid attention.
No. Yeah. Okay, we have no idea what just happened because our flight doesn't leave till 11:05. And we were sitting here, Laurel's drinking her Irish coffee, and I just read on the app that our gate closes at 10:35 and it's 10:38 right now, so we're gonna run.
So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe out to Wyoming. Need an RV, no plans, just you and me. I need to go somewhere.